Hello everyone, it's been a very long time, and I know not many people watch the channel, but the few of you who do, don't give me grief for not making a video in 5 months. There's actually a really big reason for that. I've scrapped 16 videos that all failed on my old computer. I have a newer one now. And also, I've been working on some projects, which you can probably see on the screen. This is Unity. Unity is a professional game development program that has been used to make a couple games. Some of my favorites include Totally Accurate Battle Simulator and Subnautica, but there's hundreds of games made with Unity. Anything that opens with this kind of weird cube logo and says made with Unity was made with Unity. So I've actually made a lot more games than just this one, and I've actually made a couple Roblox videos based on your comments, which I ended up not posting because I had no volume and stuff. All those things are still in the works and all that. In fact, the one of you who suggested, and I have read all your comments during this time and remember all of them, but one of you suggested combat effects. I published that video, but it didn't work out, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to publish a second one. Like, I'm going to remake it, possibly very soon. You also may notice that I don't have my camera on right now. That's maybe a temporary thing, maybe a permanent. It's again to do with the new computer. So for now, let me just show off one of the many games I made. This was the first ever one I made, and while it's the simplest, I just want to show off what I have made so far and stuff like that. So I made this game called Rock and Roll. I was going to change the name, but I asked some people, and they all liked this name most. Still think I'm going to change it, though. Anyway, it's a ball roller. Yep. Doesn't get much more simple than this. So, who here is disappointed? I'll tell you what, I'm not. I'm proud of this. And yes, it's true that I'm recreating a professional video game right now and building much more professional things, and also my computer's lagging because the new recorder is still updating and stuff, but I'm impatient to publish my video. So, oh, I went to the side. So, this may seem like a simple game, but this was basically a way of me just throwing together all my coding ideas and just testing if I could make a game with this. I also followed a tutorial by, I really hope I don't pronounce this wrong, Jonas Trollum on YouTube. And that was very helpful for getting the basic ball rolling down, but then I changed the physics and a lot more. The graphics are all temporary. I just want to test if I can make a 3D rolling platformer game. And sure enough, I definitely can. And I'm sure I could add lots more to this, but personally, I don't think I'm going to progress on this game very much. But I just thought I should show you guys and see what you think. And no, I'm not going to put a link in the description. Maybe someday if the game ever gets bigger. As you can see, we have these bounce pads I built. Please ignore all errors in the bottom. Again, that's because of computer changing. I have all those sorted out. A few of them I need to make the computer stop thinking aren't sorted out. It's all going pretty good. This level, there's a little bit of clipping. Like I said, not everything's perfect, but as you can see, a bit of camera clipping. So some of the levels are more puzzle-based, like this one where the portal's up there and seems easy to get to, but for some reason it's not. Well, if you go down here, you might notice there's a bounce pad which could get you from there to there. So this level is probably everyone's least favorite because it's very different from the rest. Like I said, all of this is just kind of testing and stuff. But if you went around that wall to this corner kind of area, you'd find a bounce pad. You'd bounce on that dark gray platform, which I just failed at doing. Weird saying as I'm the game dev and I'm normally really good at this game. Haha. The machines have beat our human brains. Anyway, this is Rock and Roll, my 3D Unity game first thing I ever made. I have more. I'll show them off in another video. Man, I'm sorry if I sound boring this video. I'm actually sick. So Yeah, anyway, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. There's been reasons for all that, and also my last video before I stopped uploading was kind of a bad one. No offense to the person who collabed in it, but it was a bad video and didn't fit my channel, and neither does this one very well, but one day this will fit the channel, and I just want you to know that I will continue Roblox tutorials and all that. I just haven't done them in a while, and I plan to work on that more in the future. Maybe even make one very soon. So I'm sorry for the delay. I'm gonna try to re-begin. It's just hard when I had to stop for so many reasons. I kind of got into a lazy mode and just stopped making videos in general. But, I've made them now. So, everyone say goodbye to this little rock and roll ball. And yes, you may have noticed there was a multiplayer feature. That's not done at all. Might not even follow through on that. Might just end up being split screen, which is what I currently have. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Goodbye, and I'll post my next Roblox tutorial very soon. If you published a comment and have given up on my channel, please don't. Even though I haven't made an actual Roblox video in a while, I do plan on doing so, and I will get there very, very soon. Trust me, okay? Bye. Please keep commenting, please subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications, and comment anything you want me to make a video on, even though this one's kind of a weird example. But, maybe one day I can have a couple Unity videos on my channel, which is coding themed, not Roblox themed. Anyway, goodbye.